Alright, so this is how to enable Unfiltered Uploads. Please, this only works if you are using Elementor as your WordPress page builder.
So as you have seen, trying to upload a custom font says something like, "This file cannot be processed by the server." Well, straight go to the dashboard, then Elementor, then Settings. Then go to Advanced. Thereafter, scroll a bit down, and you will see Enable Unfiltered Uploads. Just click on the drop-down arrow and select Enable. Cool. Then go ahead and save your changes. Nice! Now you have just enabled uploads of any file extensions you want. Now, just refresh the page and try uploading again.
All great! Now that's how we enable uploads of any file extension into your WordPress website in Elementor. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.